Hey everybody, John Haynes once again from the Allen Ed's Autosound corporate offices, and today we're going to talk about blind spot detection systems, specifically a brand new one from Rydeen Mobile. So a lot of the high-end cars today come with a blind spot detection system to help you avoid accidents by not changing lanes into a vehicle that is in what's called your blind spot. Now, we should probably tell you what a blind spot is because it's very specific. Let's say that this is a car, and let's say this is another car. This is not in the blind spot. This is not in the blind spot. This is not in the blind spot. Only here. It's the area, and here too, by the way. It's the area between what a driver can see through his rear view window mirror and what he can see through his side mirrors. That area in between that you can't see is the only blind spot. It's defined by the National Highway Transportation Safety Association, government agency. There's only one blind spot. The reason I mention that is people sometimes over-expect what these systems will do. These systems are designed to let you know when there's a vehicle or object in your blind spot. So anyway, typically what happens with these systems is when we do an aftermarket version, we remove the rear bumper of the car, mount the sensors, and then what will happen is as you're driving down the road, if there's something in your blind spot, it'll give you a visual indicator light inside your car to tell you that there's an object in your blind spot. If you would put your blinker on as if you're going to change lanes, it will then switch to an audible warning as well. And this is designed to keep you from changing lanes into vehicles, motorcycles, whatever, that you can't see in your mirrors. So we've been selling these systems for a few years, and they work really, really well. But this is a brand new one from Rydeen Mobile. Rydeen has a standard system that we put in, but this one is a little unique that it mounts in the license plate, kind of like a bar mount that goes right on the plate of the vehicle itself. So the advantage here is it does not require removing the rear bumper of the car, which can save you some money on installation labor. So let's take a look and see what's in the box. And wow, guess what? Owner's manual right on top. Remember, in every single video we tell you, read the owner's manual. And it's always good to go through here. It tells you, how this thing works and what the indicators are going to look like. So it's something you should definitely take a look at on any product that you buy. So here's what's in the box. Let's take all the stuff out here. A lot of wires and stuff. Okay. These are the little visual indicators. They get mounted typically on the right and left side of the dashboard, usually up on the little sail panels in the front window area, but they can be mounted anywhere. Excuse me. And these are LEDs that when there's an object that pulls into the blind spot of the car, these will light up and will indicate to you whether there is a vehicle in the right or left blind spot of the car. So that's what these little items are here. There is a speaker also, which is right here, and this will be mounted somewhere out of sight, usually right under the dashboard. And this is what I said, if you turn your turn signal on while there's an object in the blind spot, you're going to get that visual indicator, but at the same time, you're going to get a loud buzzer that's going to warn you, beep rather, that there's somebody in the blind spot, right? So here's the speaker for that. There is a control module, which is right here. Can I get that out? It's coming. There we go. You don't see this box. This box gets mounted somewhere under the dashboard of the vehicle or under a panel somewhere in the car. So this is the control module, and you don't see this at all. This is just where all the wires plug in. Excuse me. GPS antenna. The way that this system works, it has to know when the car is moving. So this has a GPS antenna to alert the system to know when the car is in motion. Blind spot detection doesn't work at no speeds or 5 or 10 miles per hour like in a parking lot. It only works when the vehicle's at driving speed, usually over 25 miles per hour. So this is a GPS antenna. And the final piece of the puzzle is the actual blind spot detection system, which is right here. This can mount this way on your license plate, or it can also mount this way, go either way. And inside this frame bar, if you want to call that, inside this black housing here are your two blind spot detecting sensors. So when this system mounted on the license plate of your car, plugged into this box, you will get indicators on these sensors and a visual or an audible warning on this speaker when there are vehicles that are in your blind spot of your car, and if you attempt to change lanes when there's a blind spot indication there. So this is a brand new system from Rydeen, and it's available in all Allen Ed's Autosound locations. You can see it on our website at al-eds.com. Brand new from Rydeen, blind spot detection system. Advantage here is you do not have to remove the rear bumper of the vehicle to install this system. And reasons why you might want to remove the rear vehicle is just not to have this visual apparatus on your plate. So this is an easier install, but you see this on the outside of your plate one way or the other. And on the traditional systems, it's completely invisible, the same way you get the cars from the factory. So thank you once again for watching. Allen Ed's Autosound, blind spot safety experts for many years now. We can do all kinds of stuff, including parking sensors, reverse cameras, front cameras, blind spot detection, all that kind of good stuff. And we thank you for watching our little video.